Zambia summoned Zimbabwe's ambassador, Charity Charamba, following some bold claims by Zimbabwe's president, Emerson Mnangagwa. While meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin, Mnangagwa accused the West of using Zambia to isolate Zimbabwe. This didn't sit well with Zambia. Zambia's foreign minister Mnangagwa Honai was quick to respond. Honai denounced Mnangagwa's remarks as an attack on Zambia's sovereignty. He stressed that Zambia maintains peaceful and balanced relations with all nations, without favoritism. To address the issue, Zambia lodged a formal complaint with the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. Despite the tensions, Zimbabwe did express regret over the diplomatic strain, hoping to smooth things over. This incident underscores the fragile nature of international relations and the importance of diplomatic dialogue. How will this affect the region's political landscape? Only time will tell. Drop your comments down below and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.